Hey guys, this is AJ with Everydaypatio again. So today we're going to start off with a sunroom. There was kind of like a glass wall section around this room put up previously. It was kind of an unsafe build. It was actually made out of a bathroom shower, 10 feet high, tempered glass. It was heavy and it was honestly kind of scary. But moving on, we went in to create the foundation for the new sunroom we were going to build. So we took down the first layer block around the wall, built a little bit of a wood barricade. The interesting thing about this room was that it was actually built for their dogs, so as you can see, the turf with its drainage behind everything, that was actually meant to be left there, possibly covered with a sort of flagstone later on. This is the track that the whole room's going to sit in. Here's us sealing the bottom of the track to help keep water from penetrating into the room. And us putting in the red heads every 2 feet to make sure that the room is secured properly to the ground. And then tightening the red heads with the DeWalt drill you're going to see shortly after. So here's the first wall going in, and then us locking in the rest of them. That's a doorway opening right there, and that's what it looks like after the first day. Here the next day we continue to lock in the rooms. About halfway through the build we had to start taking apart the walls and putting them back together at each section to make sure they were level and in properly. That's the upper glass transom going in, and here's us finishing the corner. It's always important to finish your corners before the end of a day because that gives the room shear strength and stops from potentially falling over in the middle of the night. Here's me cutting out for the wall channel and putting in the last section of the room. And here's what it looks like done, or at least the walls are done. So here we're putting up the rafters and insulated portions of the glass, and then lifting in the curved glass, the insulated portion, and then the center glass, which is 48 by 48 inches. Here I'm cutting the roof panel on top because the middle panel I left longer so that we could build the room safely. Here's what it looks like on top. And the last piece of curved glass going in. It came out really nice, the curved glass going into the typical patio room, and it was roof mounted, which was another interesting feature of this room. We had to cut into the tiles in the back and mount a ledger board so that we could have the curved glass portion go into that, which helped tie it into the rest of the room. Here's a stucco wrap upgrade going around the room, so this is kind of, it's a cool feature to add to your room. It gives it a stucco wrap, and then you can paint that afterwards. And here's what it looks like done, with all the lights working, and this is the final day, the final walkthrough. And that's the end of the room. I want to thank everybody for watching this video, for tuning in, and even watching our other videos. We really appreciate it. Me and my wife work on these, and appreciate all the encouragement that we get. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're liking the content, and tell us what you guys want to see, what you guys want to see more of, what you're interested in, what your questions are. It helps us plan out what content to make. So again, thank you, and I hope you have a good day. Everyday Patio out.